Okay, today we're gonna make guacamole. And first we're gonna show you how to do the pico de gallo. Okay, and to do the pico de gallo, we're gonna need a tomato, an onion, one jalapeno, and some cilantro. First, we're gonna slice a jalapeno. We're gonna slice them sideways. Okay, and then we're gonna dice them. Then we're gonna do the same thing with the Roma tomato. We're gonna cut it in half. Then we're gonna slice it sideways, and we're gonna dice it. Then we're gonna grab the cilantro, and we're gonna chop it up. We're gonna chop up the cilantro really fine. Finally, we're gonna do the onion. I already have one onion cut in half. We're gonna cut it sideways. And then we're gonna dice it really fine as well. Okay, once this is done, we're gonna mix it in all together. Then we're gonna put some salt, and we're gonna put some fajita seasoning to taste. I have a lime just to get all the lime juice on it. Okay, we're gonna put this lime, mix it up really fast. Okay, and then we're gonna start getting 2 avocados. We're gonna slice them in half, and we're gonna dice them. Once we dice them, we're gonna add the pico de gallo in it. We're gonna add some salt and pepper to taste as well. We are gonna add another lime, and then we're gonna mix it up really well. This is the final result. Okay, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.